Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up an AI chatbot in Shopify. It's super easy and completely free of charge if you need it for a small scale business. So if you're interested in learning how to set something like this up on your website, keep on watching. I've added a link down below in the description, so go ahead and click there and then we can get started. And just to give you an idea of how this works, you can set up auto messages like this, and you can also pull down your website data from your URLs. So the AI completely learns about your website without any effort at all. So it takes literally less than 5 minutes to set up. And as you can see right here, it's just giving me automatic answers based off of the website content. And you can go ahead and ask any questions you'd like. You can also add a form submission like this, so you can go ahead and do follow-up emails. So if you want to learn how to set something like this up on your Shopify website, just continue watching. And once you're on Elf site, simply go ahead and hover up over widgets, find chat, and right underneath you have the AI chatbot. So go ahead and click right there. And from here, go ahead and click on create widget for free. That's going to bring us down to this template builder where we can start designing our widget. Now, the first step here is to go ahead and choose a template on the left-hand side right here that suits your website, but you can also customize them further to match your theme on your website. So just go ahead and pick the one that's the closest to what you're looking for. I'm going to go ahead with this kind of basic design here, and then I'm going to continue with template right down here. From here, you're going to end up on this page where it says create AI agent, and you simply need to go ahead and enter your website URL right here and click on analyze. And from there, it's going to pull all of the data from your website to try and create a bot that can answer all of your customers' questions or whatever the function of the bot on your website is. In my case, I don't have an active website URL because I'm just using this kind of basic theme before having a website for the tutorial. I can just go ahead and enter, let's say, gymshark.com, see if that works, click analyze, and then you just need to wait for a bit. And once you've done that, it's really cool because you can see it automatically updated the Gymshark logo right here to customize your chat. It also automatically updated the color theme to match the Gymshark website. And then right now you can see it's currently training through the web pages. So it's going ahead and analyzing all of your website pages on your specific website. Obviously yours is probably not Gymshark, but just go ahead and let it do that. Furthermore, you can go ahead and click on all of these different ones. If you want to add Q&As, text blocks, and more, you can go ahead and add all of this custom information to customize your AI chatbot to your specific needs. So if you have some unusual questions, for example, or if you just want to really customize it to make it as helpful as possible, you can go ahead and add all of this right here. Aside from that part, we also have the AI agent behavior right down here. So you could, for example, go ahead and click on collect contacts right here. From here, you can go ahead and choose whether a form to submit your contact information and so forth should appear or if it shouldn't appear at all. So right now it should appear right after an agent's first reply. But you can also go ahead and click on the show optionally before the chat so people can enter their information before contacting the AI chatbot. And you can also choose to not show it at all if it doesn't have to be a feature. And if you do have a form, you can also go ahead and tick off the boxes down here of what kind of information you want to pull from the customer or the visitor. And if you just want something like the email, then you can just go ahead and do it like this. And then it's going to be much simpler for your customers to ask questions and reach out through your live chat. And aside from that, you also have the different messages down here that you can customize to your specific business. And then you also have the follow-up messages, as you can see right here. So you can send a follow-up message like rate our chat or similar. And then you also have some agent instructions in terms of how to behave and how to respond, if it should be overly friendly or very professional, customize it to your liking. Next up, we have the greeting on the left-hand side right here. So this is the welcome message. Right now we have the hello, how can I help you today message, but you could also write, this is our chatbot, please add your information, blah, blah, blah. You can also go ahead and add some quick replies. As you can see right now, we have 3 quick replies. So you can go ahead and add yours right here by clicking add quick reply. And you can delete the placeholder ones by clicking on the 3 dots and click on delete. Now, if you want to customize your chat even further, aside from what the AI already did, you can go ahead and click on theme on the left-hand side. Here you have some different bubble icons, for example, and then you also have a different accent color. So let's say I want a different accent color than what you see right now. Let's say I want yellow. Then you can see that the bubbles and little reply icon down here turns yellow. So go ahead and customize that to your needs. And then you can do the same for up here. You can have some texture behind the chat bubbles if you'd like. And lastly, we have the settings on the left-hand side. From here, we have the AI agent profile. Right now, because I pulled down the information for Gymshark, it has a Gymshark logo. But if you have a new logo or similar, or if it isn't the correct kind of image it pulled down from your website, go ahead and click edit right here. And then you can go ahead and edit the profile picture by clicking right here and click on replace, and then just upload it. Aside from that, we can also go ahead and change the launcher button. So right now we have the button icon like this right here. If you want to change it, just go ahead and click on the little icon here and choose from library and upload your own. It's that simple. And then you can also choose the button position where you want it to be on the page. So you have left or right. I'm just going to stick to right here. And lastly, you can also go ahead and send your customers or visitors a summary of the conversation by clicking on email notifications. So obviously this is only going to be available if you enable the form I mentioned at the start. So you need to have people to sign up with or start the chat with their email in order to send them a summary, of course. But that is also a feature you have available. And then you just need to go ahead and add your sender's email, so your business email in here, just so they receive it from the right email address. And lastly, we have the language and region right here. You can customize that to your specific needs. But once you're ready to add this to your Shopify website, simply go ahead and click on Add to Website for free right down here. Now on your screen, you're going to have a kind of pop-up page where you need to either log in or sign up to Elfsight if you don't already have an account. And once you've done that, you should end up on this page you're seeing in just a second. And this is the exact same template builder, just in a big window. Nothing's been changed. So if you're fully happy with your final design, you don't need to do anything here because it's the exact same as before. Just simply go up and click on the big green publish button in the top right corner right here, which is going to bring us to the plans page. So it is completely free of charge if you have a small website or if you don't care for branding. There is going to be a tiny little branding underneath of the chat, but it's barely visible. So if you're happy with that, go ahead with the free plan right here. If you have a slightly bigger business, I would recommend you to go with one of these plans, but you can test it out and see if it works for your website. And if you're happy, you can also upgrade later. For this video, I'm just going to go ahead with this $0 for month plan right here by clicking the gray select button. From here, you're going to end up on this page where you just need to go ahead and click on copy code. And now it's simply time to head back to Shopify. So to add this AI chatbot to our Shopify website, simply go ahead on any page and then click on add section, scroll down until you see custom liquid like this and click. And then on the right hand side, we can see we have the custom liquid box up here, and right under liquid code, we need to insert the code we just copied. So click Ctrl V on your keyboard or right click and click paste and then just click away. And as you can see, we now have an AI chatbot down here on our Shopify website. So I can go ahead and test it out by clicking around on these different features. And then we can get the automatic AI answer. So it's simply going to pull down the information from your website. Of course, just let the AI pull down all of the information before you implement it and publish it on your website. But it's pretty fast, as you can see right here. This is just within 5 minutes of me setting it up. And here we have the full answer. So that's pretty much how you can set up an AI chatbot on Shopify. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. Please do let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.